Welcome to the Murphy Home Explosion 2011, A Mother's Touch.
Thank y'all. Give our mothers a big hand, y'all. All right, mothers, when y'all finish, y'all go out there and...
Ladies and gentlemen, you're in for a good celebration, a good treat. And here this year, you're opening up with the committee members of this Murphy Home Explosion that we're so excited to perform so we all can see and just have a good time. We thank you and enjoy the show. Be blessed and peace.
Get down, y'all, I sing it. The beat goes on, the beat goes on. So ain't nothing gonna party, yeah. Come on, y'all, let's get down. Shake the booty. Get going, I've been wanting to hold you, counting the minutes you're not around. That's what's getting me through the day. Every thought that comes into my mind is always centered around you. So glad to know that you're by my side. Wouldn't have it any other way. Just wanna tell you how I'm feeling inside, like I've been walking no calendar night. Your love is red like your finest old wine. It just gets better when times that won't arrange you. How did it get to you? And who was the love of strangers? What did they make you do? Where was that party from? You were the number one. How could you feel so high, just living the life? Like to see through, I don't even like to see through. You don't need your love to see me through, no. You don't need your heart to see me through. You don't need the way you used to be. Don't need it. Don't need it. Don't need it. Don't need it. Oh, yeah. Ladies, make some noise for me one time.